अब देख लो, हम क्वेश्चंस बताने जा रहे हैं. Now listen here. Today you will see the numericals on friction. About static friction, sliding friction, and static friction, dynamic friction, and limiting friction. I have told. Static friction, it is the force of friction when body is relatively at rest under the influence of some external force. That force of friction is called the static friction. Then dynamic friction, when the body is in relative motion with respect to the contact surface under the influence of force, that is called the kinetic or dynamic. And when the body just begins to move relative to the surface to which it is in contact under the influence of external force, it's called the limiting friction. During limiting friction, body will move with a constant velocity. While during the dynamic friction, what will happen? Motion will be accelerated. That you will keep in mind. Maximum value of static frictional force is known as limiting friction. It is clear? Then second point is बगल वाले क्लास से. Now second point is what? Force of friction always acts tangential to the contact surface and opposite to the direction of relative motion. Opposite to the direction of relative motion of the body with respect to the contact surface. Now all of you see the questions. It's clear. There are very simple questions in your book, and I will do only the simple ones. Now see here. F equals to mu into R. What is R? R is the normal relation that you have. Page 311. Question number 1. A horizontal force of 2.5 and one more thing. As long as body is not moving under the influence of the external force, static friction will be equal to the applied force. Now see here, question number 1 is on the same. A horizontal force of 2.5 Newton is applied on a block of mass 2 kg resting on a horizontal floor. It is of 2 kg. How much force is applied? 2.5 Newton. If the coefficient of static friction between block and floor is 0.4, find the force of friction. You have to find the force of friction if the coefficient of friction is how much? 0.4. So see here, first you find out the maximum value of static frictional force. Now Fx max. Fx maximum will be equal to mu into R. And what is R? Its weight 2 into G will act in downward direction. R will act in upward direction. What is the value of G given in the question? 9.8 R. So you take 9.8. It is equal to 19.6 Newton. Which means, so what is mu here? 0.4 into 19.6. 7.84 Newton. Now all of you see here. What is the maximum value of the static frictional force, limiting friction? It is 7.84 Newton. So whether it will move under the influence of this force? Not. It's clear. So you write down as the, you write down after this. After this you write down as the applied force is smaller than the maximum static frictional force. Maximum static frictional force. Therefore, block will not move. Therefore, block will not move. And therefore, the static friction acting on the block equals to 2.5 Newton. Static friction acting on the block equals to 2.5 Newton because it is not moving. So have you noted this? Now see the question number 2. Question number 2, you can see, find the maximum value of the acceleration of the train here, so that a block placed on its core remains stationary. Here this is a train compartment or train का डिब्बा. You have to find the maximum value of acceleration of the train so that the block placed on the floor, block placed on its floor, remains stationary. Coefficient of friction means friction यहाँ लग रहा है, उसका coefficient कितना है? 0.15 0.15. इसलिए सोचिए here how will you do? ये रेस्ट पर since it is moving, suppose the maximum acceleration is, so let the maximum acceleration of the train up to which the block placed on the train remains at rest is a. Since its acceleration is a, therefore block is also moving in this direction with what acceleration? A. Means how much force is acting on the block in this direction? M into a. अब अगर ये रेस्ट पर तभी होगा जब m into a is equal to the Fs maximum. इसलिए it will remain at rest only when this equals to this. इसलिए so see here, so you can note down that mass of the block is given or not. So see here, block will remain here. That you will write that the acceleration of the block will be same as the acceleration of the train. Block will remain at rest only when force acting on the block equals